YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ricky Redline, and I am back with yet another one. Listen, man, this video is all about, you know what? You probably got it from the title. That's right, Stage 2. Yes, she's finally back from the shop. We got some upgrades to the bike, but we finna take it out for a test ride and get my first impression. Well, let me be real with y'all. It's not my first impression. I did have to ride the bike home from the shop. But what we're about to do right now is a cold start with the new Stage 2. We have a D&D 2-in-1 Billy Cat with the big bore baffle, a custom 480 lift cam, new oil pump, cam chest, and I went a step further and got the SNS 55mm aluminum manifold. We got some decent numbers, and I will be posting them up on the screen here from the dyno. Remember, this is a 107 stock. Well, not anymore, but it was a 107 stock, and we did a Stage 2 upgrade to the bike. So we went from 87 horsepower to roughly 115 horsepower, and from about 199 to 100 torque to about 110 torque, as you can see here. All right, so let's do this cold start, and then let's get on the road. Out.
Red line. Ricky! That light. Ricky red line, hit the gas, no break time. Lights flash, big screen, yeah, it's showtime.
All right, for this cold start, I'm gonna have the mic with me. I'm gonna start the bike, and then I'm gonna back up to the rear of the bike. And to prove it's a real cold start, let's do this. All right, now that we got that out the way, let's do the cold start. Man, y'all hear that? Jesus Christ. This cam sound crazy. It has a nice lobe to it, like a SNS 475. Maybe not as aggressive, but it got a nice lobe to it. Hey, listen, y'all. I don't even know if y'all can hear me right now. These pipes are loud. Crazy, man. Crazy. So like I said, y'all got the D&D 2-in-1 Billy Cat with the big bore baffle. Hold on. Also got the Trask Assault air breather, and I have the SNS 55mm aluminum intake manifold. trying to squeeze as much as I can out of this 107. And I'm happy with it, man.
Headlight bright, chasing freedom through the night. No rear view, just open sky, stealing fire. Man,
just listen to how it sounds.